Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And good morning. So, we discussed self-exercise 3.6. SE is self-exercise 3.6. Page 104. Okay. Number 3A. So, we have two equation, two function, y equal to negative x cubed minus x squared. And y equal to negative x minus x squared. This is y2 and this is y1. And the curve intersect at point negative 1, 0, 0, 0, and 1, negative 2. Okay, so we have three intersection. So, saya cari setiap satu bahagian. For part A, the integration between negative 1 until 0. Okay, negative 1 until 0. And y2 minus y1 dx. Y dx because we take the value of x. So here dx. When here dx, here must be y. And now integration negative 1, 0, negative x cubed minus x squared. This is y2. Minus y1, negative x minus x squared. This is dx. Okay. And this is equal to, from negative 1 until 0, we simplify plus x, negative, negative, positive, negative, negative, positive. So dx. So this is equal to integration from negative 1 until 0, negative x cubed, negative and positive, okay, 0, plus x dx. So now we integrate negative x power of 4 over 4, okay, 3 plus 1 is 4 over 4, plus x square over 2. And this is the limit from negative 1 until 0. Okay. Next, you need to substitute the value of x with 0. So negative 0 power of 4 over 4 plus 0 squared over 2. Okay, this is the substitution when x equal to 0. Next substitution when x equal to negative 1. This is minus. So negative, x is negative. Negative 1 power of 4. Okay, x is negative in bracket over 4 plus x we substitute with negative 1 over 2. Okay, sorry. This is negative 1 must be in bracket because the value of x is negative. And here the symbol is negative. So make sure you write the value of x in bracket. So now you get, this is 0 minus negative 1 over 4 plus 1 over 2. Negative 1 over 4. This is 1 over 4. So the answer is negative 1 over 4. So for first region A, negative 1 over 4. Kalau saya salah bagi tahu buat saya congak memang salah. Okay, betul tak ni? Sampai sini betul tak? Saya punya pengiraan ni. Kosong tolak ni in bracket ni 1 over 4. So 0 minus 1 over 4 is negative 1 over 4. Yang ni betul tak?
Betul.
Okay, next. That is the region of A. Now region for B area, sorry. Integration from 0 until 1. Okay. From 0 until 1. So integrate from 0 until 1, y2 minus y1 dx. So you get y2 minus y1. Just now we get negative x cubed. Negative x cubed plus x. So negative x cubed plus x dx. So now we integrate negative x power of 4 over 4 plus x power of 2 over 2. And this is from 0 until 1, the limit. So we substitute x with 1. So negative 1 power of 4 over 4 plus 1 squared over 2. You need to show your substitution. This is 0 over 4 plus 0 squared over 2. So this is equal to negative 1 over 4 plus 1 over 2. The answer is 1 over 4. And now, total area is A plus B. Just now, you get negative 1 over 4. But no need to write negative because this is area. So area is 1 over 4. 1 over 4 positive plus 1 over 4. This is 2 over 4. And simplify, the answer is 1 over 2. Okay? Boleh faham?
Boleh.
Okay, next. Latihan berapa lagi? Formative exercise number 4 until 7B. Formative exercise number 4. Formative exercise 3.3. Number 4 until 7B. Okay, number 6 no need to do. So, number 4 and 5. Any problem? Four and 5, any problem?
Sir,
No
4B
problem.
teacher.
Huh?
4B.
4B. This is a formative exercise 3.3, page 110, number 4. 4B. Okay, I draw the diagram, the graph. This is X and Y. Y equal to X squared. Y equal to 4. This is P and this is Q, the point K. Okay. Okay. The diagram on the right shows the curve y equal to x squared and the straight line y equal to 4. Okay. A line with gradient of -1 is drawn to pass through H and it intersects the curve y equal to x squared. Means this is the gradient is gradient equal to -1. Gradient means dy over dx. Okay, gradient means dy over dx. Find the coordinate of k. The coordinate of k for A. What is the value of k? What is the answer for k?
1, 1.
1, 1. Okay, 1, 1. the ratio of the area P to area Q. So question B, 1 ratio P to Q. How to get area P? Okay, area P kita kena buat satu-satu ni. Cari dulu ini. Cari dulu dia begini. Cari dulu Q. Q ni, this is trapezium. Okay, trapezium. Kalau saya buat, Q ni termasuk ni S, katakan S. Okay. Q plus S is trapezium. So, area Q plus S equal to, saya nak cari area. Q plus S is 1 over 2 multiply the sum of parallel line. This is 1, 1. So here 1. The height also 1. Kalau saya lukis balik, this is 1, here 2, and here 1. So 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3, multiply 1. So this is 3 over 2. How to get area S? Area S. Integration from 0 to 1. From 0 to 1. Okay. This is dx because you use x-axis. When dx, here should be y. So from 0 to 1, y for this curve is y equal to x squared dx. So s equal to x cubed over 3. This is from 0 until 1. S equal to 1 over 3 minus x, you substitute with 1. 1 power of 3 is 1. 1 over 3 minus 0 over 3. So the answer for S is 1 over 3. Okay. So we can get curve area for Q. Means 3 over 2 minus 1 over 3. Okay, to get Q, 3 over 2 minus 1 over 3. To get area Q, 3 over 2 minus 1 over 3. So what is the answer? 9 minus 2 over 6. This is 7 over 6. Kalau saya salah kira bagi tahu tegur je. Next, how to get area of P? Area of P. So area of P you can get from the rectangle. Okay, this is rectangle. Okay, minus K minus S minus Q. So to get P, you can find P from the area of rectangle minus Q, S, and K. So now, what is the area of rectangle? Okay, this rectangle, 4, the height is 4 and 4. And here, what is the value here? How to get this value? You can substitute this point. 4, right? Y equal to 4. So when y equal to 4, what is the value of x? So x is square root of 4 plus minus x equal to plus minus 2. So here 2, left hand side is negative 2. Tak faham tanya terus Setakat ni boleh faham nak cari point, this point 2 from this function, function Y equal to 4. So dekat sini bila Y sama dengan 4, berapa nilai X? So gantikan. Y equal to 4. Okay, this is equal to X squared. So X is plus minus 2. So right hand side 2, left hand side negative 2. Sampai sini boleh faham?
Boleh.
Jadi, the rectangle, the height is 4. Okay, 4 and 2. So 4 multiply 2, this is 8 cm squared. Now, to get area of, just now, K, area of K. So K, integrate from 1 until 2, from 1 until 2, this is dx. When dx here must be y. So from 1 to 2, y, this is y, curve y equal to x squared dx. So here x cubed over 3 from 1 until 2. So substitute 8 over 3 minus 1 over 3 is 7 over 3. Area of P, we want P just now. To get P equal to rectangle. Rectangle is 8 cm squared, 8 minus A. K just now, K is 7 over 3 minus Q plus S. Q plus S just now is 3 over 2. So what is the answer? Ada ternampak pengiraan saya tersalah kira ke apa, terus dia bagi tahu. Takut saya careless. So X minus 7 over 3 minus 3 over 2. The answer is 25 over 6. So the question 1, ratio P and Q. So P is 25 over 6 and Q is 7 over 6. So we simplify. Both sides we multiply with 6. This is 25 to 7. Can we simplify between 25 and 7?
No.
No. So that is the answer. So understand class?
Yes.
Yes. Alia Fasha tanya 4A. Siapa yang dapat 4A? Cuba tolong, cuba bantu. Macam mana dapat K sama dengan 1, 1? How you get K equal to 1, 1? Buat macam mana? Any volunteer? Bagi tahu je, cakap je. Macam mana dapat K 1, 1? Okay, Ang Zizin. Ang Zizin. Okay, tengok Alia. Zizin share the equation of HK, okay, equal to, okay, what is the equation? HK. Y equal to mx plus c. Okay.
So gradient is -1, m is -1. So -1 multiply x is -x plus c. C is y-intercept. So this is 2. So we have two equations. Y equal to x squared. Y equal to x squared. And one more, this is y equal to x squared. And one more, y equal to -x plus 2. So this is one equation, first equation, and second equation. So you can use substitution to get the value of x. This is a 4a. Then you get x equal to -2 and x equal to 1. Okay, good. So right hand side 2 or 1, right hand side 1. When you extend the line, okay, the intersection between this line and curve is -2. Okay, but we use only point K, 1 only. Okay. Thank you, Zizin. So, any question? Any other question?
No.
No. Okay, good. So now I want to continue. Page 105. This is volume. Okay, this is volume. Volume. Isi padu. This is X and this is Y. Okay, let's say we have this curve. Okay, what is the volume of solid is generated when a region, okay, this region mean the under the graph, okay, the region under the graph is revolved through 360 above an axis. So when we generate the region revolve through 360 at x-axis. Kalau yang ini, kita putarkan dia pada x-axis, kita putarkan yang ini pada x-axis, dia macam ni. Kalau ini satu garis lurus, okay, this is x-axis. Dia ada satu lengkung begini. Okay, lengkung begini. Bila dia putar, dia putar akan menjadi bentuk yang sama. Maknanya di bawah ini, okay, this is curve. Okay, di bawah ini bila dia putar dia akan jadi terbalik. Dia akan jadi macam ni. Okay. Dia akan jadi terbalik. Panjang ni semua sama. So bila dia putar 360, dia akan jadi bentuk macam ni. This is from A to B. You kena imagine, kalau dia putar, dia akan jadi bentuk macam mana. Kadang-kadang dia jadi bentuk silinder. So, bila bentuk silinder, you kena tahu how to get the volume of cylinder or you can use integration. Okay, so kena imajinasi kena tinggi sikit. So, y equal to fx, this is the curve. Okay, bila kita generate, when a region is revolved through 360, this is the shape. And now, to get this volume? How to get this volume? So first, we divide the solid into n vertical cylinder. Okay, cylinder tu macam mana? Cylinder tu dia macam ni. Okay, ni. Dia jadi macam tu. So makin lama makin kecil silinder dia. Makin lama makin kecil. Macam mana dikatakan silinder? This is circle. Okay, this is circle. Lepas tu ni ada tinggi dia. So dia akan jadi silinder yang sangat nipis. Dia akan jadi satu silinder yang sangat nipis. Dia akan jadi macam tu. So this is cylinder. Oh, saya nampak macam ni. Ni silinder. Terbalik. Ni silinder. Okay. So this region we divide into n vertical. Ini pemahaman asas lah. Sebab saya bimbang takut ada soalan keluar dalam bentuk macam ni. Tapi awak tak faham apa yang dia tanya. So this is y n. Because we don't know what is the value of y. So in general, this is y m. And this is delta x. Perubahan nilai x. Perubahan nilai x maknanya pada paksi x. Okay, setakat ni. Boleh faham tak gambar rajah yang saya lukis ni? Daripada satu bentuk yang besar, dia pecah menjadi beberapa silinder. Boleh faham tak setakat ni? Tu dulu.
Boleh.
Awak kena tahu region ini dia pecah menjadi silinder yang kecil. Dan bilangan silinder ini N. Dia punya ketebalan dia delta X. Okay. So sekarang nak cari volume. Katakan ini adalah delta VI. Perubahan volume. Perubahan isi padu. I ini maknanya dia yang pertama, kedua, ketiga I ni. Okay, yang ini adalah YI. Tinggi dia. Tinggi Y. Jejari. Ini jejari Tinggi silinder adalah delta X. Okay. Jadi sekarang nak cari volume of each cylinder. Nak cari volume bagi setiap silinder. Ni volume bagi setiap silinder. Silinder dia punya volume apa dia? Pi R squared H. Pi R squared H. This is the volume of cylinder. So to get delta VI, this is delta VI means volume for this cylinder. So using pi R squared H, pi, okay, R radius is YI, radius. And H, height of cylinder is delta X. This is Y squared. Ini baru untuk satu silinder. Kita ada N silinder. Okay, semua ni N. Bilangan dia N. So, volume of N silinder. Dalam peperiksaan pernah tanya soalan yang berkaitan. Tapi murid ramai tak boleh jawab sebab dia tak faham basic ini. Gambar rajah ini terhasil daripada gabungan banyak silinder. Dia tak faham yang itu. So we know to get the volume of N cylinder, kalau VI ini adalah mungkin V1 plus delta V2 plus delta V3 sampailah delta Vn. Sebab ada N cylinder. Okay. Yang ini kita boleh tulis the summation of I ini start from 1 until N. Okay. And delta VI tadi adalah pi YI squared delta X. Ini ambil mana? Ini adalah rumus delta V tadi. Delta V ni dalam sebutan I. Okay. And this summation, you can form integration integrate from A to B, from A to B, okay, from A to B, and this is X exists, so must dx, must dx, okay, delta X dx, and here is pi y squared. Silap-silap soalan awak, dia suruh buktikan macam mana dapat this formula. Volume summation, integrate from A to B pi y squared dx. Boleh jadi soalan dia tanya macam ni, kita kena tahu. Berkemungkinan boleh jadi soalannya begini. Okay. Setakat ni boleh faham? Yn is radius. This radius. Yn yang paling tinggi. Okay. Y1 ini first cylinder. Y1, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4 until Yn. Sebab ini akan sambung lagi. So kita tak tahu sampai berapa dia berhenti. Tapi yang ini kita tahulah sampai B kan. Sebab untuk gambar rajah ni sampai B. Tapi tak tahu N ni sampai berapa nilai N tu. Okay. Yi ni means Y1, Y2, Y3 and the bigger cylinder, the radius must be Yn. Okay. Okay. So that is the first formula for volume. That is the first formula for volume when we use value of X. Okay. Now, kalau terbalik pula, dia tak guna X, dia guna Y. Maknanya curve dia terbalik. Boleh jadi soalan ni ditanya, ini adalah basic. How the formula volume can form. Okay. This is X and this is Y. Okay, graf dia macam ni pula. Sampai sini. So when the curve rotate 360 at dy, okay, just now rotate X axis at X axis. Okay, ni rotate at X axis. Now rotate at Y axis. So nanti mesti integration dia dy. Kalau rotate at X axis, tadi rotate X axis, ni mesti dx. Ingat tu. Macam mana nak ingat? Kalau nanti untuk pengiraan kan, macam mana nak ingat? How to remember? When the curve rotate at X axis, so this is dx. When dx, here must be y squared pi. Okay? But now, when this curve rotate at y-axis, so we know this is dy. And the integration for volume from A to B, let's say from here A and here B, from A to B, when here dy and here must be x. But x what? X square, because volume. And another one, we have constant of pi. Ini macam mana nak ingat? Nak ingat rumus volume. Okay, sekarang macam mana kita nak terbitkan pula volume, rumus volume ini? Macam mana nak generate this formula? Okay, sama. When we rotate this curve, okay, it has right hand side, okay, the same shape, and when rotate, become a cylinder. Same, cylinder. This is also cylinder. This is also cylinder. Cylinder. We don't know how many cylinder. We don't know how many cylinder. Okay. And the cylinder, this is the radius of cylinder. This is the radius of cylinder. So what is the value here? Radius of cylinder. Here should be x n because this is the highest. From x1 until x2, we don't know the value of n. So this is x and yx because this is x. Okay. Until here, do you understand the radius about the radius?
Yes.
Okay. Now, for cylinder, mesti ada radius dengan height. This is height. Height of cylinder. So, height of cylinder is delta y. Okay, perubahan y. Maknanya y2 tolak y1. Nilai ni. That is delta y. So, volume nampak macam complicated kan? Tak payahlah ingat ni. Jangan saya memang ditanya. Volume of each cylinder. Untuk satu cylinder. Okay. Delta V. VI. Sebab kita tak tahu yang mana. Ini dalam secara general. So, volume of each cylinder. So, volume. So, I redraw the cylinder again. It's a cylinder. And the radius is xn. And the height is delta y. So, how to get a volume of cylinder? Pi r squared h. Pi r radius. Radius for cylinder is xn. What is h? H is I of cylinder. So, delta y. So, now, sorry, this is Vi, right? So, Vi here must be Xi. Xi. Square. Mesti ada square. Sebab bukan N, kita nak cari I. I ni boleh jadi nombor 1 sampai N. Can be 1, 2, 3 until N. N tu bilangan silinder lah, kita tak tahu. So, delta Vi is equal to pi Xi squared delta Y. Okay, this is the volume of each cylinder. But we want the volume of N cylinder. N cylinder. N sampai atas. So, dia mesti akan jadi delta V. Ini saya kata nombor boleh start daripada, memang start pada 1. Delta V1. Delta V2 plus delta V3 sampai berapa? Delta Vn. Sebab kita tak tahu N tu berapa. Berapa silinder yang dapat dalam bentuk ini. So, delta V1. Delta V1 means volume for first cylinder. Volume for second cylinder. And volume for N cylinder. Okay. Kemudian, okay, this is the sum. The sum of delta Vi. Okay, this is the sum of delta Vi. And I start from 1 until N. This is how you write. This is summation of delta Vi. Okay, means I equal to 1, start from 1 until N. And this is equal to summation from I equal to 1 until N. Delta Vi, just now, delta Vi is pi Xi squared Y. Delta Y, sorry, delta Y. Pi Xi squared delta Y, we get from volume of each cylinder just now. So, we can do conclusion. Volume equal to, okay, this is the first cylinder.
until n cylinder. So this is from A until B. So integration from A until B, okay, delta y is dy, and this is pi x squared. Pi x squared. So this is how we generate the formula of volume when the curve rotates at y-axis. Okay, kalau soalan tak suruh buktikan, awak hafal saja. Bila dia rotate at y-axis, so here must be dy. Rotate at y-axis dy. So this is the value of y. When here y, here must be x squared multiply 5. Understand, class?
Understand, teacher.
Okay. So, we go to example. Example 21, page 107. Find the general volume in terms of pi. Okay, the question want you to give the answer in pi. When a region bounded by the curve, okay, this is the curve 2x squared plus 3. And the line is x0 and x equal to 2. It's revolved through 360 about the x-axis. So actually the graph like this is the graph, okay? But sometimes students don't know how to draw the graph. So never mind. You just find the volume, and the question want you to get the volume for this curve. You copy the we write the general form, the general formula, volume. This is from given value of x. So from 0 to 2. This is x. So here must be dx. For volume, when here x, here must be y squared, and we have 5. So volume equal to integration from 0 to 2. Okay, pi you can write outside. Y squared. This is y. So how to get y squared? 2x squared plus 3 squared. Okay, this is y. 2x squared plus 3. So the question wants squared. So you need to square the function. So this is equal to pi integrate from 0 until 2. Okay, you expand 2 power of 2, 4 x power of 2 multiply 2, 4 plus 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 2, 12. 12x squared plus 3 squared is 9 dx. And we can integrate. This is 4x power of 5 over 5 plus 12x cubed over 3 plus 9x. So this is from 0 until 2. 4, 2 power of 5 over 5 plus, this is when you substitute x with 2. And here you can simplify 4. X is 2 power of 3 plus 9 multiply 2. Okay, minus. This is a 405 plus 0 cube. 40 cube plus 9 multiply 0. Okay, ni kosong Maaf lah, tulisan macam dia tak muat lah tu. So, pi. So, you get this answer is 75, 3 over 5, 5 unit cube. Because this is volume. Understand, class?
Understand, teacher.
Next, example 22. Find the generated volume in terms of pi
Okay, when the shaded region in the diagram is rotate through 360 about the y-axis. Okay, rotate y-axis. What is the meaning rotate y-axis? Mean you need to integrate with respect to y, means dy. Okay, the regions, this is the region x, and here y, 4, 1, this y equal to 6 over x, and this is the region. So volume, integrate, rotate y-axis. So here must be dy. When dy, you take the value of the value at y-axis. So from 1 until 4. When here y, here must be x squared, and here 5. Okay. Ada murid, dia tak tahu macam mana nak bina ni. Tadi saya dah ajar cara dia ya. Bila dia rotate y-axis, so here must be dy. Bila sini dy means this is value at y-axis. When here y, here must be x squared and here 5. Okay, now we want x squared. We want x squared. But now here y. How to get x squared? So this is 6 over y. X equal to 6 over y. So x squared equals to 6 over y squared. X squared equal to 36 over y squared. Tak nampak. Tak bagi tahu saya, tak nampak. So masukkan, substitute into the formula. Volume equals to pi, integrate from 1 until 4. X squared. X squared is 36. Y squared over y squared, right? Just now, over y squared. So when we integrate y, we need to bring up. So this is negative 2. Y to the power of negative 2 dy. So we integrate. Pi we copy only. So 36 y to the power of negative 3 over negative 3. This is from 1 until 4. So substitute pi. Okay, you simplify. This is negative 12. Okay, negative 12. Y is 4 to the power of negative 3 minus. Okay, minus negative 12. Y is 1 power of negative 3. So final answer, you will get oh, saya salah ni. Negative 2. Negative 2 plus 1. Bukan tolak 1. Mesti tambah 1. Teacher, is negative 1, not negative 3. Yes, Samrin. Thank you. This is negative 1. And here must be negative 1. And here negative 36. Still negative 36. Okay. Saya guna pen lain. Change the subject of the equation from y to x. Okay, here. Okay, Sumesh tanya. Will mark be award for that and the exam? Yes. You change the subject. Okay, sometimes here we will get mark. Okay. Okay, saya betulkan ni volume equal to pi 36 y power of negative 1 over negative 1. Ni salah. Okay. And here, okay, saya tulis belakang lah. So, V equal to
Okay, saya gantikan. This is from 1 until 4. This is 5. Sekejap sekejap. 5. Negative 36y power of negative 1 from 1 until 4. Negative 36 over y. Okay. Okay, negative 36 over 4 minus negative 36 over 1. So pi equal to negative 9 minus minus plus. So this is 27 pi unit cube. Okay, understand class? Example 22. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, we have another 10 minutes. Last example. Example 23. Okay, this is the graph. In the diagram on the right, the curve y equal to 1 over 4x squared intersect the straight line y equal to x. At O and A, find the coordinate of A. We have two functions. So to get intersection point, we need to use simultaneous equation. So simultaneous equation, y equal to x, first equation, y equal to 1 over 4x squared, this is second equation. So I can use substitution, 1 equal to 2. So x equal to, because this is y. When y equal to 1 means x equal to 1 over 4x squared. Now, I bring x to the right hand side. You cannot simplify, you cannot divide x. You cannot divide x. If you divide x, okay, one value of x will be missing. Okay, you cannot divide x. You need to form a quadratic equation. Okay, and now I factorize x. This is 1 over 4x minus 1. Okay, and this is two answers because quadratic. So x equal to 0. And one more, 1 over 4x minus 1 equals to 0. So 1 over 4x equal to 1. So x equal to 4. 1 over 4x minus 1 equal to 0. So 1 over 4x equal to 1. X equal to 4. Okay, some students, they divide by x. They divide by x, you will get only one answer. It is 4. So that is wrong. Because if you divide x, okay, one answer for x will be missing. So you need to factorize. You need to form a quadratic equation. Then you will get two value of x. So now this is 0. Okay, you get x equal to 0 just now, right? So this is 0, the intersection point 0. And one more here, x equal to 4. The question asks you to find point A. Point A. Point A means have X and Y. After you get X equal to 4, how to get Y? You can substitute into equation 1 or 2, either one. Because this point A on the line, on the first equation, on the first line, and also on the second line. So you can substitute either one. So I substitute into first equation, lagi senang. So when X equal to 4, Y equal to X. When X equal to 4, so Y equal to 4. So the point of A is 4, 4. Understand guys for A?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now B. For B. Okay, read carefully the question. Read the question carefully. The generated volume in terms of pi when the shaded region, okay, this shaded region, okay, is revolved fully about the x-axis. Okay. Dia nak volume the shaded region rotate what? X-axis. When rotate x-axis, rotate x-axis means this is dx. The volume should be, this is dx, and here should be y squared, and here 5. And the limit must take from x-axis. The x-axis is 0 until 4. Okay, because the shaded region in between 0 and 4. So here 0 and 2. Okay. Next. Kita nak kawasan yang tergantung. So sama. Kita tolakkan dia. Ini sama. So saya nak buat y2 minus y1 dx. This is squared. Y2 sebab dia dah bagi gambar rajah dia. So Y2 ni ambil yang atas. Volume yang atas. Graph yang atas. So this is Y equal to X. Pi saya letak di luar lah. Pi letak di luar. So Y2 squared. Y2 yang ini. Saya ambil yang ni Yang atas Yang atas. Graph yang atas ni Y2. So kalau saya nak Y squared. Kalau sini Y squared. Here should be X squared. So here X squared. Minus. Okay, minus. This is Y1. Y1 graph yang di bawah. Okay. Kalau dia nak, kalau Y equal to 1 over 4X squared, dia nak Y squared. So kalau Y squared, dia akan jadi 1 over 4. Okay. X squared. Okay, ni Y kan? Ni Y. Dia nak kuasa 2. So kuasa 2 di sini. Sampai sini boleh faham?
Boleh, teacher.
Okay. So volume equal to, ni 4 di sini. Pi integrate from 0 until 4. X squared minus 1 over 4 squared. 1 over 4 squared is 1 over 16. X squared. Squared. So become X power of 4. D. Okay, kita integrate macam biasa. Okay, bila dah integrate, tambah kuasa, tak ada simbol integration. Become X cube over 3. Minus X power of 5. Okay, over 16 multiply 5. This is from 0 until 4. So pi equal to 4 cube over 3 minus 4 power of 5 over 16 multiply 5 is 80. Minus 0 over 3 minus 0 power of 5 over 80. So V equal to pi. Okay, 4 cube is 64 over 3 minus 4 power of 5. 4 power of 5 over 80. So you get 64 over 5. Kalau saya salah bagi tahu Yang ini dapat 64 over 5. Okay. So 64 over 3 minus 64 over 5. The final answer is 8 over 15 by unit cube. Because this is volume. So 8 over 15 by unit cube. Understand, class?
Yes, teacher.
From example 23 in your textbook, the solution solve one by one. Means find the volume for V1, find the volume of V2, then minus also can. Means volume V1 is the volume under the graph for straight line. So dia akan dapat sini. Dia akan dapat macam ni. Ni semua ni. Atau saya tunjuk dekat textbook kan. Dia punya cara lain. Dia buat satu-satu. Boleh, tak ada masalah. Itu maksudnya dia guna. Okay. Sebab kita ada macam ni. Dia nak yang ini. So dia dapat ini daripada volume ni dari bawah ni sampai sini. Okay, ni triangle. Okay, volume volume. Tolak dengan volume under the graph sampai sini. Ni, dia tolak dengan sini. So, kalau graph saya buat di sini dia jadi macam ni. Daripada yang triangle, dia tolak yang ini. So, tinggal yang dalam ni. Tinggallah kawasan sini. Okay, boleh faham?
Boleh.
Okay. So, that's all for today. Kejar awak. Nanti saya masukkan dalam grup Okay, that's all for today. Any question?
No question, teacher.
Okay, no question. So area, conclusion. Area equal to integrate. If here dx from A to B, here must be
Y.
y. Or if from A to B, here dy, so here should be
X.
x. If volume generate at y-axis, so from A to B, here must be d.
To generate from where?
Rotate at y-axis. So d,
dy.
dy. Here should be
X square.
x square and
Pi.
pi. If rotate at x-axis, should be d,
dx.
dx. Here must be
Y squared.
y squared and
Pi.
pi. That is the formula. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you, class.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you,
Okay,
teacher.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Happy holiday. You can do your homework tomorrow. Continue tomorrow.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, bye.